Do this in January, and you will triumph throughout 2024. Before delving into the mystical aspects that can make you conquer 2024, you must understand there are two dangerous crises that will weaken, worsen, and devastate the lives of men. And as time goes on, more and more men will become victims. The first crisis is the crisis of maturity. Believe it or not, nowadays, there are fewer guys with mature thinking. Most guys nowadays tend to become man-children, with only a large physique, and old age, but a mindset still like that of a child. What are the characteristics of a child? Impatience, always seeking the quickest way to do what they like. If told to be patient, they will get angry, cry, scream, throw a tantrum. Just look at the guys around you. How many are addicted, have dependencies, impatient, and easily emotional like children? Want to make money quickly, but don't want to work hard. They turn to online gambling. Want to get a girl, but don't want to improve themselves. Just watch pornography. Their focus is not on self-improvement, but on enjoying bringing others down. As a result, many guys become cynical, skilled in sarcasm, and insulting others in comment sections. Open your social media, and you'll see more man-children like this than mature men. And frighteningly, this is somehow accepted, as if considered normal. It's okay to gamble rather than stress about it. The money will be gone anyway. It's okay to be addicted to pornography rather than risk depression. It's okay not to be mature. Just enjoy life. This leads us to the second crisis, the crisis of being a good father. Can you imagine? In 5 to 10 years, if these immature guys eventually get married and have children, many of them won't be ready. They don't think long term, and many only want the pleasures from their partners, but are unwilling to take responsibility as the head of the household. Many can only father children, but are incapable of taking care of them. When guys like this become fathers without willingly becoming more mature, can you imagine how miserable their children will be? Some of you probably already understand how tough life can be without a father figure to emulate. What will happen to our country and nation in the future if more men grow up without good father figures? So, what's the solution to overcome this crisis and ensure your success in 2024 without ending up like most guys? Be mature. Regardless of your age, whether you're still in school, university, or already over 40, assess yourself and do this. Think of yourself as the head of a household. Consider that you have significant responsibilities. Even if you're not married yet, you should lead yourself, at least starting to think about providing for yourself, preparing for the worst, and starting to invest now. Imagine, what is the ideal father figure for you? After imagining, act. Think. Behave like the ideal father figure you dream of starting now. Live as if you are the ideal father that you add. It's not really fun. Still young and already being told to be mature. Believe me, being a guy with a mature mindset has more advantages. Don't believe it? Check out great men who have influenced the world in business, sports, world leaders, generals, religious figures. Read their biographies. See what they did at a young age. I guarantee these great figures have done very mature things, even since they were teenagers. This is what makes them great men. And being mature doesn't mean you can't enjoy life. On the contrary, your life will be more enjoyable. For example, there are two guys who both like playing games. An immature guy will spend his time playing games, avoiding learning and working. His money is spent on gaming. He doesn't realize he's getting older and eventually realizes he has no skills, no experience, and no assets. In contrast, a mature guy who likes playing games does so responsibly. He sees it as a reward for working hard and learning. Some even make money from the games they play. Much more enjoyable, right? Okay, one thing you can start doing in January to become a winner in 2024 is to reduce one dependency and take on a new responsibility. This will make you a step more mature. For example, Reduce your addiction to gadgets. Cut down just 1 hour a day and try taking the responsibility to regularly set aside some of your money. Reduce your cigarette addiction. Cut down just 1 cigarette a day and take on the responsibility of starting a disciplined exercise routine. Reduce your addiction to gossip and insulting others and take on the responsibility of being more diligent in worship. Write it down now. Whether in a book, on your phone, or in the comment section. What's one dependency you want to reduce? And what's one responsibility you want to take on? Start January by doing this. There will surely be improvements, victories, and success that you can achieve in 2024.